Hey guys, in this video, I'm in Maya 2020. Let's see how can we inflate geometry in our scene. So for example, I have this building here, and what I would like to do is inflate all of these cement floors. So to do that, what I'm going to do is go to Modify, Transformation Tools, and then click on Move Normal tool. Once I click that, you can see this icon appears on the left. Then I can go to Edit Mesh and click on Transform. And now, if I just simply grab my blue Z axis here and just pull, you can see how my geometry gets inflated. So this is a much different effect than, for example, scaling or sizing, because this actually inflates the geometry, but it keeps the normals with sharp edges. So that's a really cool trick, and hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.